In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while talking about Dogecoin cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-05 20 plus 2.13% $0 0736 2023 05 21 plus 8.37% $0 0781 2023 05 221.47% $0 0710 2023 05 230.15% $0 0719 2023 05 24 plus 3.94% $0 0749 2023 05 25 plus 6.25% $0 0765 2023 05 261.79% $0 0707 2023 05 271.15% $0 0712 2023 05 28 plus 5.25% $0 0758 2023 05 29 plus 6.99% $0 0771 2023 05 301.20% 7 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2023 Jun plus 0.19% $0 0722 2023 Jul 5.04% $0 0684 2023 Og 8.67% $0 0658 2023 SEP plus 0.69% $0 0725 2023 Oct plus 4.26% $0 0751 2023 NOV plus 10.38% $0 0795 2023 DEC plus 11.16% $0 0801 2024 JAN plus 11.02% $0 0800 2024 Feb plus 14.63% $0 0826 2024 Blemish plus 18.10% $0 0851 2024 APRA plus 22.18% $0 0880 2024 May plus 21.20% 8 cents. Doge value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 11 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around 15 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave methodology. Dogecoin is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild contest from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, and the group behind the venture is dubious. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 6 cents. In the long haul, it will in all likelihood drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and become more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no remarkable incentive, it has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul most of undertakings will fizzle. A few new businesses are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. Yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, however truly, are pointless for the market. Vitalik Buterin, fellow benefactor of Ethereum, said, "There are a few smart thoughts, there are a great deal of extremely ill-conceived notions, and there are a ton of incredibly poorly conceived notions. And many tricks too. Thus, more than 95% of effective ICOs and digital currency ventures will fall flat and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? Assuming we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and fervent local area. It is nonsensical to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance assuming that is the main pivot for the task. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017. With not a single specific premium and genuine use cases to be seen, aside of irregular utility and foundation tipping. However, Dogecoin people group is generally a decent spot for a decent giggle. It is an image realm of digital currency world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to go up in ascending cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun sometimes, yet we basically don't see the justification for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious ventures. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a nostalgic worth that early adopters continue treasuring and utilizing for image and joke